Ever pondered the possibility of life beyond our planet? Picture this. The night sky, once a tranquil canvas of twinkling stars, is now ablaze with inexplicable celestial phenomena. Mysterious lights dance and dart, painting the darkness with shades of otherworldly hues. An eerie sense of anticipation permeates the air as whispers of an alien approach ripple through humanity's collective psyche. Now imagine the heavens tearing open with a deafening roar, announcing the arrival of enormous alien spacecraft. Their hulls gleam with an alien glow, each ship a technological titan dwarfing our tallest skyscrapers. They cast long, ominous shadows, their sheer size inspiring awe and fear in equal measure. These behemoths touch down at strategic locations across our globe, their massive weight making the Earth tremble beneath them. And then, as the dust settles, the alien doors slide open, revealing shadowy figures within. The world watches, holds its breath as the aliens step out from their spacecrafts, shrouded in mystery and darkness. In the harsh glare of humanity's scrutiny, they emerged, these visitors from the stars. Their forms were a nightmarish combination of flesh and metal, their language a cacophony of discordant tones that echoed eerily in the silent night. Our attempts at communication were met with silence, the meaning of their strange utterances lost in the vast chasm that separated our species. Their silence, however, was more unnerving than any words could have been. Then, without warning, they demonstrated their power. Their technology, far beyond our comprehension, laid waste to our cities. Skyscrapers crumbled as if they were made of sand, their steel and glass skeletons reduced to rubble in the blink of an eye. The air filled with the cries of the injured, the wails of those who had lost everything. Panic swept through the streets. Chaos reigned where order once stood. In the face of such overwhelming power, human institutions crumbled and our world plunged into chaos. In the ruins of our world, desperation and fear bred an unexpected unity. Survivors, stripped of their past differences, banded together, their collective will fueled by the primal instinct to survive. Amidst the rubble, makeshift shelters sprung up like defiant monuments against the bleak landscape, each one a testament to human resilience. The air hung heavy with anticipation, a chilling cocktail of dread and determination. The world held its breath, the silence punctuated by the distant hum of alien technology and the rhythmic beat of human hearts. This was no longer a fight for territory or power. It was a battle for existence, a testament to our will to endure, to persist, to live. As the battle for Earth rages on, the fate of humanity hangs in the balance. Are we on the brink of extinction, or will we rise from the ashes to reclaim our world? Only time will tell.